Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today's vlog is all about shopping. It almost took us 2 hours to reach here. So here we are at the Ikea stores, Bangalore. Finally, we have arrived to Ikea. Let's go and do the shopping. We need some rest before we shop. Look at this. It's a cozy little house over here, guys. Look at this. Wow. It's so pretty. It's so aesthetic actually. So pretty. Wow, I need this. This. Guys, my most favorite animal is capybara, and then this guy. He's stuck over here, but I like panda. And look at these. Let's look over here. Just look what I found. My most favorite animal, panda. Actually, my first is like the most which I love is capybara because I'm your sibling, Jenny. And my second favorite is the cute panda. I want this. I'm gonna be cooking some lasagna. I'm cooking egg. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Isn't it all? I'm very happy to see this luxury setup over here. So beautiful. It's nice. Yes. So nice, guys. So nice. And look at these. Table. I'm too tired of shopping. I don't know where's my mom. Let's go and search her. And yeah, look at this. This is like a girly room. But I like it though. It's so nice. Look at these. Wardrobe. Pink color hearts type of lights. Ayyo. Guys, I'm in Greenland. I'm in foreign and no, I'm not. Like, look at these animals. Ooh. If you're an animal lover or something, look at this. One more version of me. Oh, look at these. Miniature thing. So cute. Nice. Wow. Wait, look. It can attach itself. Hubby. Let it go. Let it go. Guess today? Hi, Chilla. Hi. Your பேர் என்ன? Good boy. இது வேணுமா? இதா? இந்தா. Look at this. Now it's just time. Papa boy is saying, Papa. So we have come to the end of this vlog. I will be posting a separate vlog about what we have purchased. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll be notified more videos like these. Subscribe. Guys, subscribe.